How to lock home screen layout on a Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and the Samsung S25 series. By default, you can easily move icon, app, application or widget to your home screen like this. So just long press the widget or app and you can move anywhere on your home screen on your device. If you want to set fixed position or if you want to lock this icon, you need to enable home screen layout. So after enable it, you can't move the application or widget on your home screen. Let's see. Tap and hold the blank space on home screen. Tap the setting gear icon at the bottom right corner. Here you can see the home screen setting on S25 Ultra. Now scroll down until you can see lock home screen layout. Prevent items on the home screen from being removed or repositioned. So make sure to click on this option to lock the home screen layout on your Samsung S25 Ultra or any other Samsung device. Now go back, go to home screen and when you try to move, you can see home screen layout is locked. You can unlock it in setting. So you can also look like this widget. So you need to unlock your home screen layout to change the position of widget or application. So this is the one of my favorite feature. If you give your phone to your child or any other person and if you don't want to move your application, you can just lock your home screen layout. That's it. I like it. Share it.